Let us draw a landscape today. On a A3 size paper, make a border of 1 inch. You can use the scale if you want. Next we'll start with a tree. So make one side of the branch of the tree and such 3 stems. Make a cloud-like shape to make one part of the tree. Do the same thing here like this. Make 3 or let's say 2 stems and a bush around it. Do not go outside the border. Make one more behind it. Let's say 2 small stems and connect a small bush behind. Let us hang a small swing or let's say tire from this tree. So make a rope, attach a rope like this and tie it with a, I'm going to make a tire like this. So such groove circle. Draw a center small thin line so that it looks a bit 3D. And complete the branch, the trunk of the tree. Next we'll draw the house a bit away from this tree, behind this tree. So these lines will be slanting and not straight. Have a rough idea of how big house you want. Make the base of the house and then accordingly make the roof. Near the house I wanted a tree, so the same kind of tree I will make it very small. Why small? Because it is a bit away. So more the things are further, smaller they appear. Things which are closer, they appear bigger. So I've drawn the same kind of tree, just that it is small. Give windows and doors as per your wish. And give a complete look to the house with the roof. Let us draw one more house. Again, now this house is still behind. So we'll make it still smaller. Again, it will not be straight. The base of the house will be slanting to give a perspective form. On this side, let's say I made a small bush. Let me make a simple path which is connected to both the houses. This is a village scene, so the path won't be absolutely straight. And let's say far away, let us show a few more trees or bush like this. On the other half of the page. More details are not required as those trees are really very far. Yet behind, let us give a layer of the mountains. Make sure that the objects which are there in the front overlaps the mountains and the objects which are there behind. That's it. In the next video, we shall color this with oil pastels.